Hi everyone, today we are going to be learning how to do two tricks. The half shower and the reverse cascade. To do the half shower and the reverse cascade, you need to know how to do over the top throws and juggler's tennis. In the half shower, one hand is only making over the top throws and the other hand is only making regular throws. To learn the half shower, it's going to be really similar to how you learn juggler's tennis. First, we're going to do a regular cascade, and then we're going to do two over the top throws in a row. So, 1, 2, and then back to 1. Then you can do 3 over the top throws in a row. And then 1, 2, 3, and then back to normal. Keep building up the pattern slowly until you can do the trick. Once you learn the half shower on one side, make sure to learn it on your other side. This can also create some cool effects where you go one way and then you switch and go the other way. The most likely problem you'll have when you do the half shower is that the balls might collide. Make sure that you scoop on the outside and really throw over the top so that it clears the regular ball. And you can also throw the regular ball a little bit lower so that you have enough room. And the reverse cascade, every throw is going to be an over the top throw from both hands. To learn the reverse cascade, it's going to be really similar to juggler's tennis and the half shower. We're going to practice first just doing 3 over the top throws in a row, alternating hands. 1, 2, 3, and then back to normal. Next, you're going to do 4 over the top throws in a row, alternating hands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to normal. With the reverse cascade, you can also run into collisions. If you have collisions on the reverse cascade, it's really an issue about your timing. Just like with regular juggling, you want to wait for one ball to peak before you throw the other ball. If you have a collision, that means you're probably throwing too early or too late. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make juggling rings at home. See ya!
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe.